Hello, welcome to Chapter 10, Section 1, Organizing and Displaying Data. We're doing problems 5, 6, and 7 in the guided practice problems at the end of the section. This case, we're using a double bar graph. So let's look at the graph and see if we understand what's going on. First of all, the title of the graph is baseball tickets. So we're talking about the price of baseball tickets compared to the type of seats. So we have categories: club level, upper reserve. Club level is nice, so that's why you're going to pay a lot for them. You got upper reserve, you got just the bleachers with nothing, so those are the cheap seats, and you got some box seats. Box seats are nice, they're probably like behind home plate, right? Now what we're doing is we're comparing two different stadiums. We're not actually using the name of the stadiums or anything, okay? So we're not using like, Wrigley Field versus Target Field or anything like that. We're just saying Stadium A and Stadium B. Hopefully you can see the difference between the purple and the green. Another thing, and I keep seeing this, I keep missing some of the letters and numbers from the graphs that we've had. Okay, so we understand what the graph shows now. How much more is club level at A than at B? Okay, so let's find club level. Stadium A is purple, Stadium B is green. For Stadium A, here's 40. Looks like the next line would be 50. This is about halfway. So I'm going to go ahead and guess about 45. Again, it's not about being perfectly accurate. It's about making an estimation. For Stadium B, here's 20, here's 30. It looks like it's really close to 30. So I'm going to guess probably about 28. And if I find the difference, 45 subtract 28, it's probably close to 17. So about $17. Now if the actual difference, if I looked at the real numbers, was 16 or 15 or 18, that's okay, no problem. We're just looking for an estimation. We're not looking for an exact answer. Which type of seat is the closest in price of the two stadiums? So what I'm looking for is where the bars that are purple for A and green for B are almost the same. So these are really far off. These are closer. These are close. But these right here look like they're almost the same. Now, obviously the purple is still higher than the green. But I think that the difference in the height is less here than it is here and here. Again, it's just an estimation. So I'm going to go ahead and say box seat. Finally, I'll move it up so you can see it. Describe one relationship between the ticket prices at Stadium A and Stadium B. There's probably a lot of things I can see from the data, but the obvious thing that sticks out is that every purple bar is greater than every green. Every purple bar for each level is greater than its green bar partner. So that means that I think Stadium A is more expensive. Doesn't matter which seat that you get compared to the same type of seat in the other stadium, it's going to be more expensive. Now, that being said, I just want to be clear that you understand what I mean. Upper reserve at Stadium A is cheaper than club level at B, but these are not the same type of seats. I'm saying comparing to the same type of seats. All right, we'll see you in the next video.